Hey there, welcome back to the Journeying Programmer. My name is Daniel, and today we'll be learning how to install Homebrew on Mac. So what is it? Homebrew is a package manager that makes installing software on your Mac easy. And as its creators say, Homebrew installs the stuff you need that Apple didn't. Its widespread community support and plethora of packages have seen it become the go-to choice for package managers for Mac users. Please note that brew is a command line utility, meaning that we will be using terminal. If you're not sure what that is or how to use it, stay tuned for one of our episodes covering its usage. But enough of that, we're here to learn how to install it. Alright, so first thing we're going to want to do here is check if we've got it installed already. So I'll just open terminal. The command for Homebrew is just brew. I'll put on the V flag to check the version. If you've got it installed, you'll see Homebrew 3. Whatever version it is. If it's not installed, then it'll say something along the lines of Homebrew's not installed. So at this point, we'll want to head on over to https://brew.sh. Yep. So in this install Homebrew section, we'll just copy the command here. Just hit the button. Head on back to terminal. Paste that in. Click enter. You put in your password. It'll just tell you what's going to be installed here. Review it if you want to. It's safe. I've done it before, so I'll just hit enter. It'll go about installing what it needs to get Homebrew to work. Yep, so that's all done. Now, please note that because I've got it installed, you won't see this. I don't see this additional bit here, but if this is your first time installing Homebrew, what you'll need to do is you'll need to add it to Homebrew to your path. So there'll be a little section here with another command that you'll want to copy and paste into your terminal again. I'll put up an image showing you what I mean. So you'll need to do that. But when you do, what you'll want to do is you want to source your file, your profile file. In my case, it's just going to be my ZSHRC. Yep, so once that's done, you should be able to call the brew command. And there you go. That's how you go about installing Homebrew. If you've come across any issues during this installation process, please leave a comment in the section on the YouTube video and I'll be sure to get back to you. Alright, thanks for watching and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more interesting how-tos.